really though. My dog is in the back, loving his life. We are on our way to go measure up for this job site. This is a back road. It is just so beautiful. Yes, I'm driving and taking a video. Nobody is on this road. We turned to gravel road here in 1 second. But look at this, you guys. I mean, even through my dirty, dirty truck window, it is just absolutely stunning. You get like a full 360 degree view of all of the lake and everything out here. You get all the neighbors. Move over, neighbors. Oh my goodness, I'm just the funniest, aren't I? But I just love being out here. I just love this view. I love the sun shining today. Let me unplug my phone. Pull over here for a second. I mean, look at this, you guys. How stunning. Okay, get rid of my face. My dog is so happy that he gets to poke his little head out the window. Oh, Merle, you're just so happy. Good boy. Those little ears. I mean, how could he not be excited with this view? My gosh. He sees all these cows and he wants to just go play with them. Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? I'll be your friend. I'm just going to show you this whole ride up here. I don't even know if you'll be able to hear any of this because my windows are all open. But this little turkey, living the good life, he is. Aren't we all out here? This beautiful weather. This railing is just going to be so stunning. All cable. Look at the road. I can't wait to get some other photos of it. It's going to be beautiful.